Over 7,500 attendees, 350 exhibitors, and traffic talk everywhere you turn. Affiliate World Europe is huge. It's hands down the most significant performance marketing event in Europe, and honestly, one of the most diverse spaces for affiliates and exhibitors to build genuine partnerships. That's why Epom headed there as a leading adtech provider. Today, we will tell you how it went and if it was worth it. Autumn is soon, and it's exactly the time to book your last tickets for Affiliate World Europe, the largest conference on the continent. And today I'm going to tell you about best traffic sources, opportunities, and also our own experience as exhibitors, which we had last year. So today we are going to tell you some insider tips how you can prepare for the conference and make the most of every single minute you spend on AWE. Let's get it started. The diversity of traffic at AWE makes eyes run up. It's the place to find everything. You will get access to everything from social, search, and programmatic to more specific email, SMS, and exclusive direct deals. We won't list every traffic type out there, but let's talk about the top 5 most profitable traffic sources you will see at AWE and why they are so in demand. Social media is the hottest here, especially Meta and TikTok. It's fast, highly targeted, and perfect for e-commerce, apps, and dating. If your creatives hit, you will see results quickly. Next, you will see a variety of programmatic for big reach. Large traffic exchanges, Google agency account sellers, and even white label DSPs like Epom are easily spotted opportunities for growth at AWE. It mainly works for brands and agencies operating within e-commerce, iGaming, and adult. You can wonder now how to handle this insane variety of traffic and how to find exactly the person who provides it. Well, here's a tip for you. Look at the badge which each person usually wears on their t-shirt. This is the place where you can put specific stickers which provided by AWE organizers. So you can see exactly which source, vertical, and maybe even software this exact person provides, and also what they are looking for and what you can offer to them. So this is the simplest way you can come to the right person just in the crowd. Now let's talk about the venue and its setup. It's enormous, but laid out in a way that's easy to navigate. The whole floor is divided into zones based on the presented verticals, which we found super handy. Zones A, B, and C were labeled as general. Here you will find the flashiest booths and smaller exhibitors who don't operate within a specific vertical. This part of a pavilion was also home to a breakout stage, networking zones, and business hubs. Zone D was dedicated to iGaming, where you could find Epom this time and plenty of other providers within a niche. Zone E was all about crypto, finance traffic, and payment solutions. Chill zones were also here. I especially enjoyed the relaxation beach with hammocks, much needed after days on foot. Zone F and Zone G were highly tailored to Nutra and dating, and were the smallest at this conference. Sitting areas and food courts were scattered around to keep you fueled. And yes, free coffee was a thing. Now, there's the question, how about fun? Well, entertainment was plenty. I wish we had more time to explore that. Some booths felt more like mini amusement parks than conference stands. They featured video games, machines, prize draws, boxing, basketball, and other interactive things you could ever imagine. The main stage at AWE 2024 was lively with real insights dropped. It was also separated from the crowds outside and enhanced with big screens to make the stage view accessible to everyone. I'm not going to stop on this part much, but you can pause on this slide to grasp the main topics covered last year. This year, we are going to hear from Christoph Filgerschoffer from Rewards, Umar M. from Digitas Finance, and Kieran Finn from Linear, preparing the latest hacks for top-class affiliates. We've got two tools designed to enhance media buying for affiliate agencies and large brands. Our potential audience here typically requires more control and flexibility in their ads, and for sure unmatched performance optimization. That's why we headed right to AWE with a booth set in the iGaming zone. It wasn't the biggest on the floor, but size doesn't always matter if you plan right. AWE did a great job with space. We had plenty of rooms for bags, giveaways, and, most importantly, energy at the booth. And speaking of energy, our merch and instant lottery were total crowd pleasers. People loved winning cookies and energy bars, as our stand was by chance located near the coffee counter. It was our creative way we used to attract extra leads. Let's not forget the Apple Watch giveaway. Our lucky winner walked away smiling, as he totally didn't expect that outcome. Also, it helped us break the ice with so many visitors on the conference. I highly recommend any kind of instant lotteries and fun activities that can help you to connect in an informal way with your audience. Let's move on to the juiciest part, practical advice how you prepare to succeed and make the most of every minute on AWE. The earlier you book, the better your booth spot, and trust me, location makes a huge difference on how many people you can meet at the conference. Download the AWE app, email your leads, and schedule meetings before the event starts. You will save so much time on organization. There is too much going on and it can get real chaotic without defining schedule of each team member. People need to get what you do in 5 seconds. Avoid clutter and focus on a clear message and design. Giveaways and mini-games like lotteries attract people and break the ice. Pens, water bottles, or cookies can be your conversation starter. Digital business cards are becoming a thing, but physical ones still work. If someone gives you a card, jot down a quick note about your combo right on it. It will save you from the classic "wait, who was this again?" moment during the follow-up. But go exploring as well. While someone stays, you step out and network. Some of the best conversations we never planned. They just happened while walking around. My advice is to split shifts and roam a little. You can create a short looping video up to 1 minute showing your product or use cases. It attracts attention and explains your value right away better than any words. Create a branded digital card that can be saved to phone wallets. Stick QR codes on your booth wall, badges, or giveaway items. People will appreciate the ease of learning more about your company. Be especially active during high traffic hours. Usually it's post-lunch or just before and after speaker sessions. Use that time to be extra visible and engaging. And of course, I wish you the best possible experience at AWE this year, or any other conference you decide to visit. To stay tuned with Epom updates on programmatic advertising, ad serving, or any other relevant digital advertising trends, please subscribe and like this video and follow us to see the next videos.